you those top golf courses in this area, but more importantly, we want to turn into a Reddit type feel. Write down in the comment section the courses we might have missed, but more importantly, let us know which courses you like the most. Starting off here with a 5 out of 5 and 4 Google reviews to choose from. It's only a 9-hole facility, but some of the holes stretch 250 yards. Is it one of the oldest golf courses in India? Well, we're going to talk all about it. There's a lot of golf at this facility, and it dates back with a ton of history. If you played golf in this area, you know that this course does set the tone here at number 3, stretching just about 3,050 yards from those back tees. Play it twice, you'll get a full 18-hole experience. There's a little bit of water cutting through it, but it is man-made. Overall, the parking can become limited, so get there early, and public transportation doesn't exist. Overall, this course, it doesn't exist till there. There's plenty of public transportation. You just have to be able to catch a ride to the course at that point. And we'll be targeting courses like this in the near future, so sit back, relax, and let us know down in the comment section the type of courses you would like to see and why. Let's swing on into the Railroad Golf Course. Course that's very well known. It's executive style. It's not the nicest. It's not the longest. It's only a par 28. It's semi-private, but the name is the reason we decided to put it here at number 2, and it stretches a long 1,356 yards. So not that long at all. And it's a 2004 design course. Open year round, it sets the tone for just chip and putting. Also has a practice facility and other amenities to move everyone in the direction of great golf. If you played this course, you know how special it is to finally get out, play some of the amazing golf courses within India, like this one right here. Now, it's short, it still gets the job done. The course, well, it's very well known between locals, and it's hidden between all the tree line, so you might actually drive past it depending on where you're coming from. Overall, this course is one of my favorite ones, and I decided to put it here at number 2 for this beautiful state. Overall, there's just one more course here to take a look at. If you made it this far, think about hitting that subscribe button with the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. And if you got some money, head on over to our number 1 course here, the Fairway Golf and Lake Resort. This is a stay and play. It has all the amenities, and it's a 4.2 out of 5 with 315 Google reviews to choose from. Considered one of the best luxurious hotels in the area. It still represents fame and fortune, but more importantly, great golf. And that's the reason we're here. The course itself, well, it's full. It's an 18-hole facility stretching a long 6,000 yards from those back tees. Overall, the course has tons of amenities like a restaurant and also a hotel that is associated with it, with a pool and every amenity one would need. The course itself is the reason I decided here to put it at number 1. It's very well known in the area, and it's pretty popular, and that's a good reason to put it here at number 1. But we also want to turn this into a Reddit type feel, so let us know down in the comment section the courses you might recommend and why, and we'll be sure to get out there, try to play some of those courses in the near future, and maybe even travel, meet up, and eat some of the delicious food there in India. This is an amazing golf channel, but more importantly, this is a formulated golf channel trying to plan trips ahead of time, just like you are. That's going to do it for our list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. Professor is an independent golf channel focused on the fun, affordable side of golf. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, subscribe down below to the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on the fun, affordable side of golf. If you're not watching, go play a little bit of golf today.